Thursday, July 20th, 2017, at the Khwai Community Concession in the north of Botswana. Overnight, the resident pride of lions has killed a fully grown wildebeest. The cubs and their mothers, however, have to wait patiently until they will be allowed near the kill. The dominant male is not ready to share. Even his brother has to hang back. All of a sudden, their breakfast is disturbed. Two wild dogs chasing an impala, unwary of the danger ahead, run straight into the midst of the pride. The second dog has just about been able to stop before the lions catch it. His brother in arms was not so lucky.
Yeah, he's dead. Yeah, he's dead.
The second dog arrives, and the lionesses get ready to attack again. Dog number 2, though, is lucky enough and escapes. The lions have not wasted a single look at the impala. All they were interested in are the dogs, to wipe out competitors. Listen carefully, and you can hear bones crush.
It's still alive. It's still alive.
But for how much longer? Marking his territory, showing off his dominance and victory, while his brother, who in fact has caught the dog, has gone back to his initial kill. Wildebeest meat just tastes better. Was that his last breath? Not at all.
Whoa.
Outwitted by an animal about 10% of his own size and weight, the male lion returns to the rest of his pride and has to be comforted by his siblings. The rest of the day we spend looking for our miracle survivor, as we have fondly decided to call him. 10 hours later, our patience is rewarded. Just before sunset, the dog comes limping back to the den to join the rest of his pack. Even with daylight almost gone, one can see the deep wounds on his right hind leg and around his ribs. For the remainder of our safari, the dog would stay close to the den, unable to join the rest of the pack on their hunts. He could not even eat what the others wanted to share with him. Amazingly, the dog hung on for a few more months, but eventually we received the sad news from our guide that the male had finally succumbed to his wounds. Rest in peace, brave little dog.